Ontario Knife Company. This one is Ice. Something Ice series, can pronounce that. So what's so special about this knife? It is actually a very cheap knife, like $24, that's it. But this is kind of cool because this one educates you how this knife works, the back lock. So you see how this side here, a little lock, it's a see-through handle. It will lift up, or whenever you pull it on the studs, you see it will lift up the back lock all the way through into this notch, and it's like thin, and it's just like perfect, looks like extension of it. You see it? And that's a beautiful blade. You see, just a little example to show people how it works. This kind of knife, back lock, you press on it, it will release the lock. Without it, it won't close. You lift it, it will release the lock and go all the way through. There's right here a little, I would assume it's a spring, but you see this little like tension bar, that's what you call it. I have no idea. Let's look at it. Whenever you press it, you see the whole bar moves down a little bit, and if you look over here inside of it, it moves down a little bit. So like a tension bar, and it's plugged in into here. Little clip all the way through, press it, and again look at it close up, press it, tension bar moves, release it from the lock, and that's why it wanna lock back in, because of the tension bar. You can see that here too, and it will clip in. Boom, now it's locked. Beautiful little knife. I really like that they show you how it actually works. I had no idea. Love clear knives. That way we can learn a little bit.